Hello everyone, here we go with the scientific method. First of all, we have the introduction. We have the first step to make an observation. We will explain them later. The second step is to ask a question about the observation. Then research the topic, research all the information, form a hypothesis. Then test the hypothesis in an experiment. Analyze the results, draw conclusions, and then communicate results to all the people. We have here the first step, as I said, which is make an observation about something that you are interested about, or something that you like, something that is surprising to you, whatever. For example, in my opinion, I think that this one is very interesting. I see that often milk is used to stop the spicy flavor of some food. So I realized that, and I went to the second step, which is to ask a question about that observation. Your question should tell what is that you are trying to discover or accomplish in your experiment. In my case, I choose the question, why does milk help with spicy food? Moreover, we have here a photograph of the scientific method. And we move to the third one, to research the topic. What I mean is to search information about the topic. You have to look for useful information in any source, like books, the internet, or even like teachers. You can easily ask teachers about information that you need. After reading a lot on the internet, I discovered that peppers with like jalapenos have a molecule called capsaicin, which triggers the temperature-sensitive pain receptors. And on the other hand, milk contains a protein called casein, which can help to break down those capsaicin triggers, which means that milk can stop the spicy flavor, as I said before. Then we go to the most important one, in my opinion, the hypothesis, to form a hypothesis. It is the key component of the scientific method, because it is a potential answer to the question that later on will be tested. I believe that with information I gather from the internet, that milk with the protein casein is going to stop, or at least help to deal with the spicy. Okay, so then once you have developed the hypothesis, you must design and conduct an experiment that will test it. We have to test the hypothesis, and in my experiment will be so as almond milk does not have the protein casein, I will be eating the same spicy pepper in both cases, and then drinking both milks. So later on, we will see which one reduces better the spicy flavor. Then we have to analyze results. So the results are where you report what happened in the experiment. That includes detailing all observations and data. in my case, the almond does not produce any effect because the almond milk doesn't have casein. But however, the cow milk stops the spice when you drink it. That might be for the protein casein. Then we have to draw conclusion. This is nearly the final step, not the final, and this is where all the results from the experiment are analyzed and a determination is reached about the hypothesis. My hypothesis, luckily, was correct, because the casein of the milk helped to deal with spicy. As an easy example, the milk, the casein works as a detergent. And yes, we are. This is the final step. To communicate results. Tell the people the conclusion you have obtained, and then you finish all the scientific method. So I told my classmates that milk is useful to stop that spicy flavor due to the protein casein. So we finished the scientific method. I don't know what happened to this last thing. Like it could have a drawing, but I don't know what happened. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and yeah.